Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to order your labels in Trello web application. So the first thing that we need you to do now is to open your Trello website, and then you will need to connect to your Trello account. And if you don't already have one, just connect with your Google or Facebook or Apple accounts, and then just follow the simple steps. So after you succeed in connection to your Trello workspace, you will need to search for your board where you want to uh, organize your labels, and then click on your board, and here we will find your lists here. And as you can see, each list has its own labels, etc. So as you can see, those are my labels. So basically, to organize your labels, you can just try it from a card. So you choose any card you want, and then you click on this customize, or you can just click on the card to have a more detailed view. And then you will go to your labels, and here you can organize them by customizing all your labels that you have. So either you are going to delete these labels, you can have only three. For example, let's have an example for labels. So let's do something like that: red label, save. And let's just have save, for example, save. And we are going to organize them this way, so you can give them names. So as you can see, I can give it a name, and I can give my label a color. So basically, I'm going to give it, for example, save. This is as for example, it's expressing, for example, the risk of something. Let's have it like that: save, and give edit this one, uh warning, or I don't know, uh be careful. You can do whatever you want, something like that. And this one is going to be risky, for example. And I'm going to click save. And as you can see now, I have three labels that are significant or that have a meaning. And of course, you can create as many labels as you want. You can give them colors as you want. You can make them uncolored. You can do like this to enable the colorblind mode, so it will be with textures and not only color. You can do whatever you want. And basically, when you organize your labels, you can attribute these colors to your card, for example, like that. I'm going to give it this label, for example. And as you can see, now we can see that the thing is color. For example, let's name our card something. uh, Open card, like this. uh, I don't know, just task hiking, for example. Let's just do hiking and give it the label risky. And let's just remove this one, and it will shown as follow in your card. So basically, you can have your card that will show with text or with only color if you want. All you need to do is to click on the label, and it will show up with the text. So basically, that was some simple ways or some tips to organize your uh, labels, depending on their meaning, or depending on what you want them to express in your cards. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.